In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel DocuSign envelope. If you sent an agreement and something changed, maybe the terms, wrong recipient or duplicate, you can void the envelope to stop signatures and notify everyone. We'll walk through each click clearly so you can handle this quickly and keep your records tidy. Start by signing in to your DocuSign account. On desktop, once you're in, look at the top navigation and select Manage. On mobile, open the menu and look for Manage as well. This is your dashboard that shows the status of everything you've sent or received, making it easy to see what needs attention. Next, find the envelope you want to cancel. Use the search bar if you know the document name or subject, or filter the view to waiting for others or needs to sign. Those filters surface items that are still out for signature and eligible to be voided. Open the envelope to confirm it's the right one, checking recipients and the document preview. Taking a moment here prevents canceling the wrong file. With the envelope open, look for the correct or resend button. Click the small arrow next to it and choose Void from the drop-down. If you don't see those buttons, you may not be the sender or the envelope might already be completed or voided. Only senders can void active envelopes. If you need access to DocuSign, I've put the official website link along with downloads for the mobile app right at the top of the description. A confirmation window will pop up asking for a reason. This message is sent to all recipients. So write a brief, professional note, such as superseded document, incorrect details, or duplicate request. Keep in mind that voiding is final. Once you proceed, the envelope can't be reactivated, and recipients will be notified of the cancellation. When you're ready, click Void to finalize. DocuSign immediately stops the signing process. Everyone on the envelope receives an email notification that the envelope has been voided, and the document itself is marked with a prominent void watermark. In your Manage view, the status updates to voided, so you have a clear audit trail and a record of why it was cancelled. That's all there is to it. You've successfully cancelled a DocuSign envelope in just a few clicks. If this helped, feel free to share it with someone who might need it. For quick access, remember the link at the top of the description. Thanks for watching.